Hi Pat, how are you? So, okay, this is the new version. The name of the file is master single table. This is the version 4. Well, this is just only for internal purposes. Okay, I reduced the number of columns here. I just left position on volume number if you want it, but if you want to change it, just let me know and I add more or anything. Okay, so I was trying to understand what you wanted to what you want to do in this group analysis. So I decided that first I have like different tables. So this time I put everything on the same table. So everything, all the data, and it's going to be easier to calculate like all the group statistics and average and standard deviation, etc. So now everything is on the same table. So this is, and that's why here on view the panes are frozen. You can unfreeze it if you want, but right now it's frozen like in order to lock this column, the V column, and you can navigate the file having the names of the people like locked down. So everything is pretty much the same, but now you are going to find like the same features that the previous file had, but now everything is going to be here. So this table is right here, and it works exactly the same, just that it's not going to be under the table, but this. And this is also going to let you like it's going to be easier, for example, to choose, you want to see all the team workers here, and with the other one it was independent, so if you want to analyze the data of both, you had to do it separately, but now you can do it all integrated on the same table. So yeah, and second, well, you can use the filters any way you want. And the good thing is that here I added this table here that it changes depending on what you choose. So for example, we see that here we are only selecting 3 people, so the count number is 3, and the mean of these people is 6.33 on the shaper, the standard deviation, and the variance. And this is only for these 3 people. So if you choose everyone, so it's going to show you all the statistics of the whole group. Whether if you just choose I don't know, 4 people, it's going to show you the different statistics of that group. Okay, so well, that's the difference. So everything is on the same table, just remember that. So this table was also under this table, so now is everything on the same table. Alright, so and I left this individual sheet just in case, well, we can get some use for it. But the new thing is this group analysis. So this one is the new sheet I have working on. So here we have team size 24, but if you come here and just select a group, for example, of 4 people, and group analysis is going to choose only team size 4. So this as well is going to change every time you change, you filter this table. So if you have 4 people selected, this is going to take into account only the data of those 4 people. So, and here you have to choose like the name of one person in order, because that person is the one that we are going to compare. So let's see, Belinda Aston, Claudine Evans. So let's pick Claudine Evans in this case. Alright, so here developing test, we have all the information about Claudine Evans, and is comparing that information with the team average, and the team average of only these 4 people, and this is the standard deviation. This is the personality of Claudine Evans comparing with the team personality, and here we have a graph where I try to use the same colors as the Belvin test for each one of of the roles, but here I just put a header note that team scores dark colors. So if we have shaper red, so the color on the right, which is the darker, is going to be the team score, and the one on the left is Claudine Evans. So here we have, so all the left columns are of Claudine Evans and the right columns are the team scores. So here you can compare, like Claudine Evans has greater value in shape but lower value in teamwork and so on. The next one is the cognitive test. So here is going to, well, is the same thing. It's comparing all the data of Claudine Evans with the team average, and is calculating the standard deviation of the team. And here, for example, in this case, we have like Claudine Evans has the same personality of the team. And here is also comparing the same thing using the same colors. So the dark colors are the team scores, and the left columns are Claudine Evans. So here we can see how different or how similar is she with the group. And here, well, here is separate, but it's just to know like this relationship between E and I. So this is the relationship of Claudine Evans between E and I, and this is the relationship of E and I of the group. So yeah, just to have more data. And here now we have emotional intelligence test. So here's the score, the team average, and the team standard deviation, and here's the graph comparing both. So Claudine Evans is this one up here, and the team average is down there. So we can see here empathy for others is especially different. She has a very low empathy for others, whether the group empathy for others is really high. And well, this test is really similar, so I use like the same standard model. And the same thing, then you can print. One thing, if you want this like to analyze in an Excel sheet, it's going to be easier for me because I can use all the space here. But because I know that you probably want to print this out, I'm kind of restricted with the space. So if you want to use like all the space and we don't have to worry about printing, just let me know, because in that way I can use more space. But if you want to that I keep in mind that this is better if we fit the space of these results to print them, so I will do that. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. So let's take a look. I'm just trial 5. Okay, that's it. So here we have like everything fits on the same page. Test results, we have the same headings for every page, and in every page it says the name and the team size. If you want more information here, just let me know. Yep, that's it. This one's 7 pages, so you can print like for each person the comparison with that person among the group. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So okay, let me know what you think, if you want to do some changes, and yep, alright, bye.